I'm here showing Joni my wasp bite. And I've been scratching, it's itchy. My people, my people, my people. We heard earlier a little bit about lupus, the autoimmune deficiency disease. And we've lost many of our great Jamaicans to lupus. Many of us have lost a friend to lupus. And Jamaica has a lot of people with lupus. Now, my guest is the owner and chief executive officer of Morgan's Creek, a brand that produces handmade skincare items. Her name is Joni Dale Morgan. She's not just an entrepreneur. She's a lupus warrior, I call them. She's fighting the lupus disease and using her business to help others in a similar situation. Good morning, Joni.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm great.
What a beautiful smile.
Oh, thank you.
How are you feeling this morning?
Nervous?
Yeah, don't be
But good,
nervous.
I'm good.
Congratulations on your products. They're
Thank you.
beautiful, and I can hear some of the team members saying, I want that, I want that. So they've been looking at this table all morning.
Great.
I want you to tell us a little bit about from your experiences, what is it like living with lupus?
Lupus can be a very lonely disease because, especially for me, and by the way, Dr. Tolereid is actually my rheumatologist.
There you go.
And a lot of times, so much is happening within the body, but you're not seeing it on the outside.
Right.
So you tend to have on a mask if you don't explain to the persons in your environment what exactly is happening to you. So unless they understand it, you're feeling as if you're suffering from something, but you can't explain it.
And people can't see it.
And they can't see it. So you can't be sad because they don't know why you're sad, because you don't look like you're ill. So for me, it's great to tell everybody around you, let them understand what's happening, and then life becomes a little bit easier and a little bit simple.
What is your lupus? Meaning, what are your symptoms?
For me, my symptoms, it affects my organs.
Okay.
So when I was in the hospital, the kidneys crashed, the heart stopped, your lungs crashed. For me, how it affects my skin is because of the medications that you take. So if you're on a high dosage of steroids, what happens is that it thins out your skin. So that's kind of how it affects me.
And then what drove you to lead into to develop these products, skin products?
So
Is that what influenced the
exactly.
decision to go here?
I was always in hardware or wholesale. That's
Yes.
my family business.
Yes.
And when I decided to change my skin routine, I have a friend in the industry and I used to buy soaps from her. And one day she just said, "Come, child, you need to come learn to make it yourself."
Yes.
And I did that. I started with soaps. And you can see the difference because for me, sometimes a lady touched me once and I immediately got a rash.
Wow.
And
The
I
skin
had
is
to
so
use,
sensitive,
right? And I had to use the neem soap to help with that. So I started to create that, and I started to do lotions, and everything just kind of turned into what it is now.
Excellent! My lupus warrior entrepreneur. All right, let's take us through the products now on the table.
So the products that I carried today are the ones that are great for sensitive skin. So we have like the neem shower gel, we have the hemp shower gel, we have like the oatmeal body lotion, which is great for dry skin. It's great for itchiness. Green tea.
What did you just say? For what? For itchiness?
Yes, for itchiness.
You mean, can I help this wasp?
It will help a bit.
Keep going.
We have green tea. Green tea helps a lot to give the skin a protective layer, a thicker protective layer. We have our own Buzz Off natural spray that will help to repel mosquitoes, and a balm as well, and it has the neem oil,
Yes.
which is antifungal, antibacterial. We have scrubs that exfoliate. We have lemongrass body oils. We have body butters. So we have face mists to hydrate. Because when you're taking a lot of medications, your face and your skin actually gets really, really dry. We have natural body butters. We have a wide variety of soaps. We have bath bombs because a lot of times your feet get swollen.
Yeah.
So it does help with the circulation.
Oh, so but you just put this
You
in the
just
bath?
put it in the bath, or you can just put it in a basin with
Yes,
some warm water.
and put your feet
you just
in
put
there.
your feet in it, and
Oh,
you just soak it.
lovely.
Yeah.
So where do we find you? How do we support?
So The store is at Sovereign Center in Legany, shop 37A. We're on Instagram, Morgan's Creek JM, Facebook, Morgan's Creek. And we do have a website, morganscreek.com, where you can actually purchase online. And it's in Jamaican dollars.
Morganscreek.com.
Yeah.
It's very simple. Are you exporting as yet?
Not as yet.
Yeah.
We are with Jam Pro, and that's the next stage. But
Excellent.
again, because of my disease, I have to also understand my own limitations.
Yes.
So everything.
No limitations. No lupus limitations.
No lupus limitations.
No LLs. All right? Just LOs. Lupus
Okay.
opportunities.
Okay.
Because I'm thinking even globally, there are so many people internationally suffering or dealing with lupus, living with lupus. And it'd be nice to see that network as well, encouraging you as we want to boost our economy and start exporting to connect. Is there an international lupus community that you're connected to as yet?
Not formally. Since I've started Morgan's Creek, I do get a lot of persons that do call me or do email me, and I give them advice in my own little way.
Yes.
And it has made a difference, and it really does make me feel good. And I realize that lupus, as you say, lupus opportunities.
Lupus opportunities.
And you know, you feel better.
Yes.
You feel better.
Tell me the advice you would give to a young person now, anybody that's watching and they're sitting in their living room and they're like, I'm suffering, it's painful, you all can't see my lupus pain. Give them some advice.
My advice is know when to rest, know when to get up. Support yourself with persons who understand. Support yourself with persons who, when you start to feel sorry for yourself, because there are times and there are moments when you feel sad and depressed and you're like, why me? Be surrounded by persons who will allow you to feel sad for 5 seconds and then hold your hand and say, let's go. Time to get up. Persons who will brush your teeth. Persons who
So
will
it gets
help
so
you.
bad where you can't even do the
Yes,
simple
because
things,
especially, let's say, in the Christmas season when it gets really cold,
Yeah.
you'll wake up and your joints just not functioning.
Yeah.
So you surround yourself with persons who will get the warm water for you to put your fingers in it to soak. But you just be happy, you just be grateful. I have a gratitude book, and every day I write at least 3 things why I'm grateful.
Somebody
And it has
find a
helped.
tune. Find Coffee's tune right now. I need to close with gratitude.
Gratitude is a must.
It is a must.
It is.
Now, talk about gratitude. I'm thankful that you're here. And you know I'm all about the Jamaican entrepreneur. I don't know how much money is in my purse, but if you could offer a couple pieces for me to purchase today, please tell me. I want a discount.
Okay.
Me not run for ask what I want. You understand, Joni?
No problem.
All right. We're working together here, Joni.
We are.
My people, morganscreek.com.
Yes.
All right. Support her. It's called Lupus Opportunity. She's a lupus warrior. What can I buy real quick? I need something for the boss
For the
itching.
itching.
This can help. Give me which one help this. We gotta go now quickly. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has
I'm
a neem oil.
All right, neem oil. I'm gonna buy this. Yeah. Turn up the tune. We are sharp. Morgan's Creek.